What's good? It's your boy G Kid back with another video for Live Fast. Today, license plate bulbs have come in, or LED license plate lights have come in for the Mk6 GTI. I cannot wait to get those on. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to install them, show you how to install them. It should be a very quick, simple, easy installation. And then after that point, what I'm going to do is leave one with the new light, one with the old light. It's daytime now. I'm gonna wait till the sun goes down, show you what the difference looks like just from the rear end. I'm expecting a huge difference here. And then I'm gonna switch them both out, show you what it looks like at nighttime. Let's get it popping. All right, so first thing up, came in this box here, all black box, sort of the same way the side marker bulb came in. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna put it up top here so you can watch the side marker install on the Mk6 GTI. But this is the bulb and this is what it comes into for the license plate. So on the back end, it's gonna say license plate lights, goes for the Mark IV, Mark V, Mk6. That's what this is working for. This is the bulb, this is the plate lights that we're working with. Let's go ahead and crack it open. It says made in China. I ordered all this stuff from Eurotuning.com. Eurotuning.com. Go ahead and crack this open, see what we got inside. So first things first, got two plugs here. Now this is supposed to be plug and play. Plug it into your current thing and no error lights to pop on. So here's the first piece. Let's set those aside. And it has resistors in there, sort of the same way the side markers bulbs come in. And let's open this up. This is the LED. Sheesh, you guys see that? Looks pretty good. Looks pretty OEM looking. So let's go ahead and connect this up and get this set up first. I have my bulb or LED. I'm gonna take this section here with the connector. I'm gonna plug this into this piece here. Should be very simple. So hopefully that should hold it nice and tight. Next thing I'm gonna do is take my resistor, plug it into this other guy. Now they are directional, so you see how those pins are up at the top of it? When you look at your piece here, you're gonna wanna make sure that you're plugging it into those pins the correct way. Boom, plugged in. Now this resistor's here, this plug is here, and now we're gonna go over to the car. Now, on the bottom of a Mk6 GTI, they have their license plate light has this little clip here. What you're gonna do is push that clip over and pull this straight down. You guys see that? So pushed it over, pulled it down. You can use a screwdriver or a pick or anything that you need as well. Now what you're gonna do is take this out of here. Should be a little clip right here. You're gonna push that in and pull your plate light off of there. Grab the screwdriver to make it a little easier. So I was able to get this off. What I did was took a screwdriver, pushed it through this middle part to lift up on the tab that was holding it in and pulled it out. Funny thing about my GTI that I did not know, it already had LEDs in the back end. Someone leave it down in the comment section below if Mk6 GTIs already came with LED lights, or maybe the previous owner had already installed these. But I'm gonna go with the ones I want instead. So this is gonna go right into here and plug in. So if you can see, it has a flat side and then a rounded side on the bottom here. This also has a flat side and a rounded side, so I'm just gonna line those up, plug that in, boom, until it clicks. Boom, clicks in place. Then you're gonna take a resistor, just like with the side marker bulbs. You're gonna put it up in there. Then you're gonna grab your actual piece. You're gonna push all your wires up. You're gonna take this side, sit that in there first, and then pop it into place. Now let's take a look and see what it looks like from down below. Wow, it might be hard to tell from the video, but there's a huge difference in the brightness from this LED to this LED. So at nighttime, we're gonna get that in here now so you can see what that looks like. Then I'm gonna change the other side out. Now here's gonna be the tail lights at night. You can actually see just how much brighter this side is than this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the other side and we'll be all done. Turns out these bulbs are actually from a Porsche Cayman, or 911. So that's where these came from. That's the part code. So if you ever wanted to try to put those instead on your vehicle instead of some aftermarket ones, there you go. And what I've done is took my resistor and I zip tied it into this piece for my connector. And so that way it doesn't bounce around in there. And I've done that on the other side already as well. Now both sides have been changed. Sheesh, is even putting light down on the ground behind it. And just like that, GTI is all done. We got the license plate lights in there. If you have learned anything from this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. We can't wait to see you in the next video. It's your boy. We're signing out again. Peace.